Hello, my name is Craig Gillison, and today we will be demonstrating the operation of a GVF orbit lift. By no means is this video intended to replace the content of our owner's manual. Our owner's manual is located in this tube on all machines, and it should remain in this tube for operation or for the operator at all times. So please refer to this owner's manual for all maintenance, safety, and operational procedures. Parts breakdowns and all of that information is also located in this operator's manual. The engine oil check is located on the right side of the machine. Right here you can see the engine dipstick. There's also a supplemental engine manual in the tube for maintenance schedule per the Kubota engine. Other maintenance checks are also in the owner's manual for daily use. Check tires, make sure the machine is clean, safe to operate. We're going to start with showing you the location of the controls in the bucket. First thing, this is a double safety latch on the door, so you flip it back, the door opens up and swings wide open for easy access. Inside the bucket, you will notice that we have 2 foot pedals on the floor. The one on the left is for your up and down. The other pedal is what we call our enable pedal, and this is for the joystick operation. The machine will not move until that pedal is pushed completely down. The reason that is, it allows for, if you were bump the joystick, the machine would not move unless you had your foot on the pedal. This is a safety feature for this machine. Here we are looking at all of the controls for the GVF orbit lift. First, we will start with the key switch. By turning the key switch in the counterclockwise position, we have our glow plugs for cold weather starting. Hold it for 15 seconds. Turn to the right for the start. Central for off. Here we have our 2-speed throttle, our high and low settings. They are set down on the machine if needed adjustment. The owner's manual includes this. Our saw lopper pruner function for changing between our hydraulic outlets on the back of the machine, shown here. Here we have our 2-speed ground drive. The low speed is intended for working in our lifted position, and our high speed is to increase our ground drive for when moving between locations with the bucket in the lowest position. Here we have our joystick. Remember, our enable pedal has to be pressed for the joystick to operate. This joystick is electronic, so the harder you push on it, the faster it is going to operate. I recommend starting at a low speed and easily pushing on it until you obtain the travel speed you would. We also have controls on the side of the machine. You'll see a boom up and down. This is for raising and lowering the boom for storage or for show purposes. We have our hour meter, our towing instructions, charge pressure, tow pressure, and our towing switch, which will be demonstrated when we go through the towing application, but wanted to highlight all of the controls on this machine. Located underneath the hood on the left hand side of the machine, you will notice the hydraulic valve. There is a red handle dial. This is the emergency lower for the boom. If for some odd reason you could not get the boom to lower, this is a manual override. Please see owner's manual for more details in operation. Now that we have shown you the controls and the maintenance points on this machine, we're going to show the operation of actually moving the machine. One thing I want to stress for safety is always pay attention to your surroundings. Pay attention to the power lines, other obstacles. Main thing on this, for terrain, you do not want to operate it on more than a 5% grade, a slope for side to side. We do offer an optional slope indicator that will buzz at the operator Now we are going to demonstrate how to tow a Gillison or GVF orbit lift. First what we want to do is start the machine at a low RPM. We use the boom switch down here to raise the boom. We have an extension for our boom saddle. What this allows for when we're towing is the boom does not drag on the ground. So we lower the boom back in to that position, so we tow it in a raised position. On this side of the machine, we raise the jack. We want to raise these tires as far off the ground as we can so they don't drag going down the road. You'll notice it has 3 holes to allow us to hook multiple different vehicles. Use your judgment for how high to match your vehicle. This is our safety chain loop, drawbar, hooked to just a straight hitch on a pickup truck. Once we are hooked to the pickup truck, we press our toe. We have to wait for this to come up to the green. It normally takes about 30 seconds. Now that it is in the green, it is safe to tow this machine with the engine running and an idle.